you're in a big boy chair, huh?
Grandma's coming now.
No, it's Judy. Oh, it is Grandma. Alright, here we go. Grandma's coming. Here comes Grandma.
He only won 69,000 today.
Oh, bummer. Lukey is so excited. Here we go. Victoria, look. Here we go. Whoa!
Yo.
Wow. Yeah.
You gonna let me sit on the chair? Well, I can't sit on that. How about if you sit in my lap?
Sit in Grandma's lap. There you go.
He gave me about a half of what space he was sitting.
Whoa!
Wow.
It's so pretty. Yay! Yeah. Wow, that's a pretty one, huh, Boo-Boo? Let's do it, Dad. Here is one right here.
Yeah.
Lukey, go give this one to Daddy. Give this one to Daddy.
There you go.
Yeah, good job. What's this one gonna do, guys?